Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is day 11 of 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments 2021. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I really think this one's going to be a lot of fun. I'm starting off with the clear ornaments. And I'm going to fill them with the glitter the way I like to do, because a couple reasons. One, if you're using glitter, you can make these uniquely yours just by whatever color glitter you decide to use. I have Glitter It. If you don't have Glitter It, you can use floor wax, the liquid stuff. I have glitter, and this I've got a few shades of blue and a couple shades of purple. Like I said, you can make them incredibly unique just by whatever shade you want to use. I have an empty bottle that I got at the Dollar Tree. In fact, I got to get more. This is my last one. I have some glossy Mod Podge. I always use glossy just because of the reflective quality. I've got the Aurora Borealis gems. Now, I got a huge tub of this at Joann Fabrics years ago when I had I think it was a 50% off coupon. But I've got a couple different shades, or shapes. And the Aurora Borealis, I'm fascinated with it. I can't help it. And I've got some silver holographic. And you can use whatever color you want. If you're partial to gold, use gold. I just love silver. I've got a couple of glitter funnels that can be purchased at Walmart or Michael's or Joann's. And I'm sure Amazon has it too. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is do the inside of the ornaments. And after they are completely dry, which will probably be in the morning, I'd like to let them sit a few hours, and I am playing late at night again. And then we'll get to decorating them. But after I get that done, then I'll start in on mixing my own glitter glue, because you can't, well, you might be able to. I have never seen the holographic glitter glue anywhere, so I make my own. So yeah, I'm going to get started on the ornaments, and then we'll get I also got some cups. I've got the cups to hold these steady to free up my hands, and I've got a couple cups to mix up the glitter. And you've seen me do this more than once. I start out with the fine and put the chunkier stuff in afterwards. The blue didn't have, I didn't have anything in chunky that's blue. This is all fine. So I got some of my clear, it's just an iridescent, it's by Recollections. I want to start off with a dark blue. Mix about the same amount of the light blue in with the dark blue. And I'm going to stir that all up. Oh boy, is that pretty. Wow. Okay, and then I'm going to throw just a little bit of this in with it. And this is just because these big chunks really reflect like crazy. Oh my goodness. And that fine glitter really sticks to the big chunky stuff, so it looks blue. Oh, that is really pretty. Alright, I'm going to start in with the purple. And this is Recollections, and I love this shade. It's called Orchid. And I use this all the time. This is by far my favorite. That's the same shade that I used for the Creatively Sam sign. And I'm going to mix the chunky stuff with it. And this I got at Walmart. I keep bumping you, I'm sorry. Oh boy, that is so pretty. There's just something amazing about mixing the fine and the chunky together. I mean, it does things that normal glitter doesn't. Okay, now I'm going to take the Glitter It. And I'm going to pour it inside this. Okay, I've got the Glitter It in there, and like I said, you can use floor wax, the liquid stuff. I have never done that. I've just got a ton of the Glitter It. So I got the whole inside totally covered, and I'm going to drain it out. And I'm going to be using my funnel. But if you don't have a funnel, you can always make one out of rolled up paper and do it like a cone. Which I have done before. Okay. I better be careful because this is going to find its way to my husband. I know it. Alright, and I'm just rolling it around on the inside. And I'm just going to dump the glitter back in there, and I'll be saving this because I really like the way this turned out. And what I'm going to do is I'll just put it in one of these little containers that I got at Walmart. Okay, and I'm going to turn it upside down just in case there's any liquid left in there, and we'll get started on the purple, and I'll do that exactly the same way. Okay, I've got them drying, and like I said, I'm not going to touch them until probably tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, I'm going to make some glitter glue. And like I said, you don't see holographic glitter glue like you do just silver. Like I got this just to show you, like there's silver that you can get anywhere, but it's just silver. And I want this to really be reflective on the tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix a couple of these different holographic glitters together, and then I'll be adding Mod Podge, and then it will go in the bottle to give me more control. And I'm not measuring. I've got a whole lot of this stuff, and I think it's time to kind of use up some of it. I mean, I have got bottles and bottles and bottles of this silver holographic. Okay, I got all three of the different kinds mixed together. It really, really glows like crazy, and it's going to be great on a tree. So all I'm going to do is mix about the same amount with the Mod Podge. And I do want it to have a little bit thicker consistency than the regular Mod Podge. Okay, and I'm going to work at getting it into this bottle. And this is going to take me a while because I really don't want to spill it anywhere. But yeah, it's mixed up pretty good. And you can see even in the glue before it's dried how sparkly that is. So I'll get that done and it'll be all ready for tomorrow. Okay, I got the glitter glue all made up, and you can actually see some of the holographic in it, even through all this plastic. And the balls are dry. And what I did was I put a rubber band around the center because I have a really bad habit of going up. Okay, I've got out the Aurora Borealis gemstones, and these are ovals and these are round. And what I want to do is put some above the rubber band, some below, and some right where the rubber band goes. Okay, I'm just going to put a little dollop of glue. And I'm going to put this one above the rubber band. And I'm going to repeat on all four sides. And then I'm going to come back and work underneath here. Okay, I've got them on top and bottom. And I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to try and get it right in the center, probably above the one that's going up. I'll have to look at it though. Let me see. Okay, I've got the blue one done. And to be honest with you, I think the purple one, I'm going to do like this. So it's just kind of the opposite of this. But I'm going to have the oval one in the center and little round ones in between. And there'll be another oval one there, and etc. all the way around. So after I get that glued on, the purple one, then we're going to get started with this. Okay, I got the jewels on both of them. And that's the way the purple one turned out. And I put the caps back on. And now I'm going to shake this up and get the glue down to here. And we're going to start playing. Okay, I'm going to start with the blue one, and all I'm going to do is surround all of the gemstones with the glitter glue. Alright, I'll be back after I get this done. Well, I got the blue one done and it's drying. And I actually added just a little more glitter to it because I wasn't sure how bright it was going to get. And I can't get enough of the holographic glitter. But I might get onto the purple one while this dries, and we'll see what happens. I did the purple one just a little bit different. I have these little rays coming up. And I haven't put any extra glitter on these yet. I want to see how it turns out. If it needs more glitter, I can always add more of the glitter glue and then shake some glue on it. But there's the blue, and it's starting to dry nicely. And we're going to see how the purple does, but so far I really like them. Okay, we'll be back after everything's dried. Okay, this is the one that I added the glitter to while the glue was still wet, and I really like the reflectiveness of it. This is how it turned out without extra glitter, when I just had the glitter mixed in with the Mod Podge. It is glittery, but not quite what I'm looking for. I mean, I want this thing to sparkle because it's going to be on the tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add glue, this same glue, to all the areas that I had done. And this is glitter that I made, and it's It's a couple of sizes of holographic iridescent silver glitter, and it's got some of the large chunks in it too. And I'm going to put that in the glitter and see if that gives me the look I'm going for. So we'll be back when I get done with that. Oh yeah. Okay, this is the way I want it. It's that chunky glitter. It does it every time. Okay, everything is dry. And wow, is that sparkling. Oh, is that going to look good on the tree? And this one's sparkling pretty good too. I did add some of those chunky glitters, but not that much. But yeah, I really like these. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.